Hi guys, this is Charles and today we're gonna reviewing this my new yo-yo are called Oldie Regal Speed Yo-Yo with the item number or NO dot YW67333411. You can see that's like a butterfly design, and the string or color white. The color is silver, white, yellow because this metal, and as you can see the bearing, this is a pretty large, and there's a plastic, that plastic, and this yo-yo have a 2 minutes turning yo-yo. That yo-yo a faster long slip because of that, because the bearing is pretty large. If you get the baby oil, if you put and you pour that on, and you put that on the bearing with a faster ring. And the string, you can see the string, the extension or connecting on the bearing, and the string is very long. You can see this is the coating this middle finger. As you can see, it's so pretty. See that? If you like that, guys, if you thumbs up, guys, please subscribe my channel and like that video. See me on another video, the rainbow loom with others, and see me on another video, guys, and happy new year. Goodbye.